guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back again with another video. And guys, today I'm gonna be installing the Tein Flex Z Coilovers. I got these used for $450. You know, comment down below if these are worth it or not. But yes guys, I got the whole set. It also has camper plate and adapter in here too, but damn, we'll see, you know. And honestly, I don't even know how to do this. This is like technically my first time, so I'll link the video down below on how to install them. But yes guys, let's hop into the video. So to make my life a little bit easier, I had to take out all of these panels first at the rear, so I can do it a little bit easy because I'm doing it by myself. So there's these two bolts right here, and then another two bolts right here for the rear. But first steps, I'm gonna have to take out the wheels. Alright guys, so I run into my first problem, right? So this nuts right here, this lug nut right here will not come out at all. All of the other rest came out, the other side came out, but this thing did not come out at all. So I put WD-40 on it, let it sit for a cool out, and I'm gonna use a breaker bar. I texted one of my buddy, and he said that I'm gonna have to like break the stud with the impact gun, which I don't have an impact gun, so I'm gonna have to like use a breaker bar to break that thing off. And I have to get some new studs, man. This thing just, it's a gone wrong, bro. We'll see what's up. I'll just update y'all. Alright guys, quick update. So I finally got it off with this breaker bar. I definitely gonna need some new like stud, bro. Like, bro, this thing is like gone, man. I guess more work for me, man. Hate this thing, but this is, things happen, just like what Brian said, you know. Make sure you guys go follow him. He did help me out a lot too. Alright guys, so sorry if the lighting is pretty bad, but technically you take this thing out, and then you take these two things out, and then after that it's just these two bolts, and then this bolt right here for the end link, and then bam, this whole thing should come out. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to go to O'Reilly to buy an impact wrench, cause dude, these bolts, oh my dude, they are hella hard to take it out. I tried using the breaker bar, but damn, that thing did not work out. So I'm gonna have to go to O'Reilly like at 9 p.m. right now to buy them. Oh my goodness, guys. Alright guys, so I just came back from O'Reilly, and guys, guess how much this thing is, bro? $120, man. I am losing money left and right, but it's all good. I just need this thing to like, you know, loosen those bolts. Alright guys, so the one from O'Reilly didn't work, so I had to go to Walmart, but this is only a 3/8 inch. I need a 1/2 inch, so I'm gonna use this thing right here to do the conversion. Man, hate going back and forth, bro. If y'all have no tools, this thing would be pretty hectic, man, you know what I'm saying? But this thing is all I need now. Alright guys, so the Walmart impact gun didn't even work because that thing was too weak. Probably gonna return it tomorrow, but guess what? So I tried the breaker bar again, and I finally got this thing loosed up. So yeah, man, god damn, what? How come the breaker bar did not work earlier and now it decided to work? Like, bro, wasted so much money and so much time, bro. But yes guys, if you guys are interested in these tools for like the conversion and stuff, this thing, I'll link it down below. Alright guys, so I finally got the front out, man. It took me hella long, but it's all good, guys. See, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. I know nothing about cars. I have never even worked on suspension, and if I can do it, you guys can do it too, guys. This thing is crazy. So I'll put on the new coilovers now, and basically it's just repeat but backward, you know. So yeah, let's go into the rear now. Alright guys, so if you guys are trying to do it by your guys self, I do recommend it. Me personally, this is like my first time working on this coilover. It's like my first time doing it, so if I can do it, you guys can do it too, you know. I just look at YouTube tutorials, guys. Like, it's pretty easy. I think the rear should be way easier than the front, but if I can do it, you can do it too. I believe me, you guys, bro. Like, this is pretty simple. I guess it's pretty simple, you know. Alright guys, so I just got the passenger side done only. The reason is because like I was trying to adjust them and do all kinds of stuff and torque them to spec. But like, you know, it's like my first time, you know. Like, I truly respect the people that work on their car, because I know how tough it is, you know. My first time is like, oh hell no, but it's all good. My first time, I'm pretty tired, bro. Like, this ain't it, man. Pretty tired, man. Gotta go rest, take a shower, and go to sleep, because right now it's like 2. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and I feel like I would have gotten it done within one day, but like I started like at 8 p.m. last night, so like, you know, that's why I kind of like, you know, gotta like go rest and wake up the next morning. But I feel like it's pretty simple. Like me, if you guys are wanting to do it by like you guys yourself, I do recommend it. You know, it's pretty simple. It's just bolt ons only. It's pretty simple. If you guys can do your guys' exhaust, this should be pretty easy. You guys just need a breaker bar, a torque wrench, and a ratchet socket, something like that. But yeah, that's all you need. You don't even need an impact gun. I thought that I needed an impact gun, but oh yeah, but you're gonna need a WD-40 though. That thing's gonna help you a lot. But yes guys, so right now I just need to finish the driver's side of the front and then the two rears, and then that'll be all. It's pretty simple. I feel like I might get it done within like 3 hours, you know, because I'm just doing it by myself and my first times, you know. So if I can do it, you guys can do it too. See guys, if I can do it, you can do it too. Tiring, sweating. It'll be nice if you have another hand or two, but it's all good. If I can do it, you guys can do it too, man. Pretty tired, bro. Pretty tired. Alright guys, so I just finished the two front coilovers, and guess what I found out, guys? So like my front parent license plate came, and guess what I found, guys? Bam, damage. Bam, damage. Bro, I didn't even know. I thought that was just the very end. But damn. It's all good. I guess I'm gonna do a front bash bar too, just like the rear. Alright guys, so it's the next day. So the reason why it took so long is because like I couldn't get the rear end, so I gotta call up a buddy, Jerry. So make sure you guys go follow Jerry on Instagram and show him some love, you know, because without him I wouldn't get the rear done. But in the front I got it done by myself. It was super easy. But in the rear, people said that the rear should be easier, but hell no guys, the rear was super hard, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the ride height right now. Alright guys, so this is the rear, and then this is the front. So the rear is like actually a little bit like shorter than the front. I mean lower than the front. But then the front doesn't look too bad. It was way higher, but then I just lowered it down. But damn guys, so this is like the perfect ride height right now. But then the rear guys, so the rear bash bar that I have, it'd be scraping so bad guys. Look, damn, this is like, bro, this is why I be like scraping hella hard, so I can't even go over like speed bumps. So it is pretty bad at the rear, so I can't lower it. So if I do lower it, then like that rear bash bar is gonna like bam be on the ground, you know. So that is why I can't go lower at the rear. So this is probably gonna be my max height as of now. But in the front, I also believe that like I can go way lower, maybe like an inch lower, but we'll see though. I kind of like the setup, but I might go a little bit lower on the front. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of this video. And if you guys are wondering how is the ride of these Tein's coilover, I feel like it's pretty similar to stock, you know, but it is a little bit more stiffer. So if you do go to like bad roads or like potholes and stuff, you would definitely notice a big difference. But regular driving for like regular roads, good roads, it's pretty much like stock, you know. But yes guys, this video is not like a how to install. I'll link a video on how to install these type of coilovers or any type of coilovers that I found super helpful, you know. So yes guys, and thanks to Jerry, you know, he's a real one, came by to my house and fixed up everything. But yes guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys did, smash the like button and subscribe. You know, check out my channel. If I make pretty decent content, consider subscribing. And yes guys, but in the meantime, I'll catch you on another video. So dream big and inspire.